Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to SVR Learnership. Guys, I have started a new series on the topic previous question papers with solutions. Guys, if you are preparing for any competitive exams like RRB, SSC, NTPC, Constable, Group D, Group C, UPSC, for any competitive exams, previous question papers are very helpful and very important. So guys, please don't neglect this series. Please watch these videos regularly and please kindly share with your friends, people who are preparing for competitive exams. Now in this video, I am going to solve RRB NTPC previous question paper which was held on 28th March 2016. So guys, please watch this video till the end. See the first question in this previous question paper which was held on 28th March 2016. Find the odd one out. They have given ostrich, crow, pigeon, sparrow. We have to find that which one is odd and which three are same. Here, crow can fly, pigeon can fly, sparrow can fly, but ostrich can't fly. So, the answer is ostrich A. Second one, simplify square root of 1 minus sin square theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta. So let us solve this. Square root of 1 minus sin square divided by can be written as like this, 1 minus cos square theta. So you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So we can rewrite this 1 minus cos square theta as sin square theta and 1 minus sin square theta as cos square theta. If you substitute these two in this, you will get square root of cos square theta by sin square theta. You know that sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta, cos theta by sin theta equal to cot theta. You can write this as cos theta by sin theta as cot theta. Here you have square, so cot square theta. If you cancel square and root, you will get cot theta. You have first option, that is A. So the answer is answer A. See the third one. Find the odd one out. 28, 44, 68, 18, 92. Here 28 is a 4 multiple, 44 is a 4 multiple, 68 is a 4 multiple and 80 is also a 4 multiple, 92 is also a 4 multiple. So let us write this. 4 7s are 28, 44 is 4 11s are 44, 68 can also be written as 4 17s are 68, 80 can be written as 4 20s are 80 and 92 can be also be written as 4 23s are 92. Each number is a 4 multiple, we can't tell which number is different. But observe the other multiple 7, 11, 17, 20, 23. Observe here 7, 11, 17, 23 are odd numbers and prime numbers, but 20 is an even number and composite number. Compared to other numbers, 20 is different from other numbers. So answer for this question is 80, option 3, option C. Fourth one, how much is 1 decaliter? Deca means 10. If you multiply 10, 1 into 10, 10 liters. You will get the answer B, 10 liters. I hope you understood. 1 decaliter equal to 10 liters. Why? Because deca means 10. 1 into 10, 10 liters. Fifth one, which river used to be called as Sar of Bengal? First, let us know what are the rivers of Sar of rivers of India. The first one is Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra can be called as Sar of Assam. So the option A should not be. Gagra. Gagra can be called as Sar of Uttar Pradesh. Option is not there. Koshi, Sar of Bihar. Doni, Sar of Karnataka. Damodar, Sar of West Bengal. So Sar of Bengal means Sar of West Bengal. You have option D, that is Damodar. Sar of Bengal can be called as Damodar. That is option D. Sixth one, If teacher equal to books, then doctor can be written as chalk, cycle, stethoscope, apron. Doctor doesn't use chalk, cycle, apron, but doctor should use stethoscope, right? So answer for this question is option C. See the seventh one. In BRICS, which country is denoted by B? Option A, Bangladesh. Option B, Belgium. Option C, Brazil. Option D, Bahrain. First know the full form of BRICS. In BRICS, B indicates Brazil, R indicates Russia, I indicates India, C indicates China, S indicates South Africa. Full form of BRICS means B, Brazil, R, Russia, I, India, C, China, S, South Africa. But here they have asked which country is denoted by B. B means Brazil, that is option C. Seventh question answer is C. See the eighth one. Mrinalini Sarabhai passed away recently. Who was she? Option A, film actress. Option B, scientist. Option C, classical dancer. Option D, playback singer. She was a classical dancer, choreographer and instructor, and she was born in 1918 and she was died in 2016 January 21. Observe here, this paper was held on 28th March 2016 shift 1 and she was died in 2016 January. Paper was held in March and she was died in January. Please concentrate more on famous people who passed away recently. People who are preparing for any competitive exams, please concentrate more on this topic. Recently passed away. So answer for the eighth one is C. Mrinalini Sarabhai is a classical dancer. Ninth one. Mohan is taller than Rohan but shorter than Farhan. Karan is shorter than Mohan but taller than Rohan. Shankar is taller than Rohan and Farhan. Who is tallest? Here we have to find the tallest person. Now evaluate the given data. Mohan is taller than Rohan. Mohan is taller than Rohan. But Mohan is shorter than Farhan. Here we can eliminate these two persons, Rohan and Mohan. Rohan is option, so there is no chance to get Mohan is tallest because Mohan is always shorter than Farhan. Next, Karan is shorter than Mohan. Karan is shorter than Mohan. So option D can also be eliminated because he is shorter. Next, but Karan is taller than Rohan. But Karan is taller than Rohan. But here we have already know that Karan is shorter. But here we have to find the tallest person. Next, Shankar is taller than Rohan and Farhan. Shankar is taller than Rohan and Shankar is also taller than Farhan. So there is no chance to get Mohan and Karan. We have to find the person who is tallest between Shankar and Farhan. Shankar is greater than Farhan. So absolutely the tallest person is Shankar only. For the given question, ninth one answer is option C, Shankar. I hope you understood how to find the tallest person. By seeing the question itself, we can say that Mohan is shorter, so we can eliminate the option A. Karan is shorter, we can eliminate option D. And the second B and C. In the question itself, they have given Shankar is taller than Rohan and Farhan. Shankar is greater than, Shankar is taller than Farhan. So Farhan is not taller or tallest. So only one person, that is Shankar, is the tallest person in the given question. See the 10th one. In a running race, if you overtake the last but one contestant, which position are you in? Option A, last. Option B, second from last. Option C, third from last. Option D, fourth from last. Understand the given question carefully. If you are participating in a running race competition, if you overtake the last but one contestant means you have only one person before the last but one contestant. Last but one contestant means one person is in last and the second person is last but one contestant. He is the last but one contestant and he is the last person. You are overtaking this person. That means you are crossing this person. That means you are occupying this person's place. If you move to this person's place, he will go back to the last position. Which position are you in? He asked your position. You will be in this position, that is last but one position. That is second from last, option B. This is the first position from last and this is the second position from last. You will be in the position that is second from last. For this question, the answer is B. I hope you understood. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please kindly like, share, subscribe to our channel SVR LearnersG and follow us on Instagram SVR LearnersG for daily current affairs.